Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning your hands correctly. Rest your index finger above the track point and keep thumbs on the spacebar. Once done, apply light pressure directly to the nub. Think gentle push, not poke, so the cursor begins moving. Make sure the keyboard is stable. Floating hands cause jitter. Try small nudges first to learn sensitivity. If your system offers speed settings, open them now and set a medium baseline. This lets you refine control without overshooting targets. You now refine motion. Use graduated pressure to modulate speed, light for pixel work, heavier for sweeping moves. Once comfortable, integrate the physical buttons beneath the spacebar. Press left for primary click, right for context menus, and hold the middle or a dedicated button to drag windows. Make sure to coordinate finger pressure with button clicks. Pressing a button while pushing avoids cursor jumps. Over time, short controlled flicks become instinctive, letting you move across the screen efficiently. You finish by calibrating for daily use. Tweak sensitivity and acceleration until common tasks feel natural. Once set, practice common gestures, selecting text, dragging tabs until muscle memory locks in. If the track point stutters, first clean around the nub and reseating the cap. Dirt affects responsiveness. If that fails, make sure drivers are current and re-enable the device in settings, then reboot. A single troubleshooting tip: if cursor jumps unpredictably, reduce sensitivity and clean the area. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.